Hey guys, Daniel here at Cherokee Auto Group, showing you on my 1987 Mercury Grand Marquis LS 5 liter. Yes, I said 5 liter. Pretty decent car. This thing's only got 84,000 original miles. Vinyl top, pinstripe car, dual exhaust. All the chrome and trim looks really good. Paint's pretty decent. This is the LS, so that's pretty neat too as well. This is a nice all original car. These things are usually turds by now. I mean, you know, if you know these things. But it runs, drives super strong, stops good, goes good, does everything it should be doing. Top's in really good shape. All the chrome. These are usually all cracked, that's okay. All the chrome's there, all the trim's there, on the windshield. I mean, it's all looking good. Body's super straight. I bought this car just knowing, you know, what it was. I got an eye for these things, and you don't really see them as often as you used to, so they're kind of dissipating as time goes on. Interior's in really, really good shape. Power windows, power door locks, power seat. 1987, this was the Mac Daddy car. Pillow top seats. Headliner's in really good shape. All the seats are in really good shape. All the carpet is. All the mats are there. Armrest. AC, and the AC works. I mean, this is just something you can get in and drive and enjoy it. Yeah, 84,000 miles. Air blows nice and cold. Pop the hood here for you. You see it sitting here, it's running really good. Fuel lights on, some gas in it. .5-liter fuel injection. I'm a big fan of the 5.0, so I like this one a whole lot. Yeah, I speak pretty proudly of the car, you know, for what it is. I don't really see them, so the fact that it runs and drives and does everything it should be doing speaks for itself. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, 770-345-0282. And once again, my name is Daniel Mosley. Thanks so much.